Okay, so what we're going to do today is my version of a Salade Niçoise. So basically, it's going to have, instead of tuna, I made shrimp, but we'll have like string beans, or they call it haricots verts, and then eggs, and I add, besides the olives, I add potatoes and grilled red pepper and mushrooms, and then we'll do tomatoes and cucumbers and stuff. But the reason I like to do this is that's the whole dinner. Like, we use these big huge plates and we make big ones. And it's just an easy thing, especially in the summer. It's really easy, and everybody likes it. What I did was I just boiled these yellow, small yellow potatoes till they're tender, and then I cooled them. I boiled eggs, string beans. I just sauteed mushrooms. These red peppers come in a jar. They're grilled and they're really good. There's all kinds of peppers you can get. And then I just sliced up the tomato, cucumber, and onions. And then what I'll do is I'll do a display and I'll show it to you. Okay, so now I'm just going to get these ready. So I assemble it. And I got these mixed greens. You just flop it right in the middle. And the good thing about this dinner is that most of the things you get them already, and it's either boiling something or just slicing it. It's not a lot of cooking. Okay, so the first thing I do is I kind of just sprinkle a little bit of onions to start it off. Not too much, just a little bit for taste. Okay, so now what I do is I just take some of the veggies, I place it like that. You don't mix it all up like a regular salad, and you just try to match the plates. If you did it all in the left corner, you do all the tomatoes in the same area. Okay, so the next thing is the string beans, or those haricots verts. These are string beans. Okay, then you place the eggs. I mean, you can do it any way you want, but I just try to make it all the different colors on there first if I can. So what I did with the eggs, you just boil them, cool them down, and peel them, and then just cut them in half. So that's easy. Same thing with the string beans. You just blanch them or boil them. Now I'm putting some mushroom caps, and I usually don't put mushroom, but because we had some in the fridge, I just made them. These are just those little yellow potatoes. Again, I boiled them till they're tender, then I cooled them and just peeled them. I put them whole. The next thing is, you can get grilled peppers in jars, and they're really good. So I just got them, drained them, and sliced them up. So there's no cooking involved there either. So then I just sliced up some cucumbers, put those in. Okay, so the shrimp, I just tossed in a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and I broiled it really quick. So that's easy too. And I'm just topping it off with some olives. Those anywhere. Okay, for the dressing, I'm going to do just a simple vinaigrette using balsamic vinegar. So sometimes we use red wine vinegar, sometimes we use lemon. You can do it all kinds of ways, but this one we're going to do extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, and that's it. I'm going to make a lot of dressing because these are big, huge salads, and I've learned from past experience that if I don't make a lot of it, I end up having to do it twice. So it's like 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, I think, but you just start off like that and just taste it. Okay, I'll show you how you whisk it together. So I start. It almost starts looking like a chocolate color. That's what you want. Okay, so then after you whisk it, you just drizzle it on. If you can do it in this kind of bowl, that's a lot easier. But if not, no, you can still do it. Just drizzle it. So in the end, you have like this beautiful salad, and you have shrimp and all vegetables and potatoes, and it's very filling and it's really pretty. So it's perfect for a little dinner party if you ever, you know, invited a few friends over. You don't have to cook a lot of it, just boiling most of this stuff, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and if you like this episode, just start a couple times. You like this episode. Thanks for watching, and if you like this episode, just subscribe to Dottie's channel, and we'll see you next time.